Welcome to Genius tutorial. Today we are going to learn about price index numbers methods. So I have taken one example, commodity A, B, C, D. P0 values, Q0 values, P1 values and Q1 values. So the first step is P0, Q0, P1, Q0, P0, Q1, P1, Q1. Okay, so now in this column P0, Q0 values we need to multiply. P0, Q0 values. P0 values are 20, 50, 40, 20. Q0 values are 8, 10, 15, 20. So first is 20 into 8, 160. 50 into 10, 500. 40 into 15, 600. 20 into 20, 400. Okay, now we need to add these values. 160 plus 500 plus 600 plus 400, so 1660. P0, Q0, summation P0, Q0 value is 1660. Next, P1, Q0 value. P1 values are these values, Q0 values are these values. Okay, now 40 into 8. 40 into 8 is 320. Next, 60 into 10, 600. 50 into 15, 750. Next, 20 into 20, 400. So after getting these values we need to add it. 320 plus 600 plus 750 plus 400 is 2070. Okay, now P0, Q1 value. P0 is these values, Q1 values is these values. 20 into 6. 20 into 6 is 120. 50 into 5, 250. 40 into 15. 40 into 15 is 600. 20 into 25 is 500. Okay, so now 120 plus 250 plus 600 plus 500, 1470. Okay, now last column is P1, Q1. 40 into 6. 40 into 6 is 240. 60 into 5 is 300. 50 into 15. 50 into 15 is 750. Next, 20 into 25 is 500. So the total is 240 plus 300 plus 750 plus 500, 1790. So we got the total of these respective columns. Now we'll come to the methods. First method of price index number is Lasparius index number. Lasparius index number is P0, 1 is equal to summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. So summation P1 Q0 is the value is this value, 2070. 2070 divided by summation P0 Q0 value is 1660 into 100. So 2070 divided by 1660 into 100. So our answer is 124.69 for Lasparius index number. Coming to the second method, passage index number. Passage index number is formula is P 0 comma 1 is equal to summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. Okay, summation P1 Q1 value is 1709. See once again, P1 Q1 value is 1709 divided by summation P0 Q1 value is 1470 into 100. Okay, 1790 divided by 1470 into 100. So 1790 divided by 1470 into 100. So your answer is 121.76 for passage index number. Okay. Now we'll go to the third method, Dorbish and Bowley's index number. It is nothing but if half of Lasperius summation plus and passage method. Okay. So here 1 by 2 Lasperius method, what is the answer we got? 124.69. 124.69 plus passage method answer we got it 121.76. 121.76. So the 50% of this value is nothing but 124.69 plus 121.76. So 1 by 12 into 246.45 divided by 2, if you do it, you will be getting 123.225 is your answer for Dorbish and Bowley index number. Okay. Now next method is Fisher's ideal index number method. So here P0 comma 1 is equal to under root summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. So this is the formula. Now we'll substitute the values in the formula. P1 Q0. So P1 Q0 value is 2070. Next summation P0 Q0 value is 1660 into summation P1 Q1 value is 1790 divided by summation P0 Q1 value is 1470 is your values. Then after calculating this one, so 2070 divided by 1660 will be getting 1.246 into 1790 divided by 1470 will be getting 1.217 into 100. So after solving this one, 1.246 into 1.217 will be getting under root 1.516 into 100. At last your answer is, after making root value into 100, if you do it, you will be getting 123.14. The next method is Marshall and Edgeworth's index number method. The formula for this is P0 comma 1 is equal to summation P1 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0 plus summation P0 Q1 into 100. So substitute the values in the formula. So summation P1 Q0 value is 2070 plus next summation P1 Q1 value is 1790 divided by next summation P0 Q0 value is 1660 plus summation P0 Q1 value is 1470 into 100. So if you do it addition, 2070 plus 1790, 3860 you will be getting after adding these two values. Next 1660 plus 1470, so 3130 into 100. So here after dividing these two values you will be getting final answer. So your final answer is 123.32 is your final answer of Marshall and Edgeworth index number. This is about the price index number methods. Thank you for watching my video.